In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover deleted posts and stories on Facebook. This is important for preserving memories, maintaining professional content, and ensuring access to valuable information. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. Onto the menus page, head to your profile. You will want to tap onto these three dots. Select onto this option of Archive. Head to Recycle Bin. You will see all posts and stories you deleted from your profile. To recover any, just tap onto these three dots and select on Restore to Profile. And by the way, these deleted photos and videos show up here for only 30 days. Past 30 days, they get permanently deleted and you can't recover them back to your profile. Well, that's how easy it is to recover deleted posts and stories on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.